Hello, ma'am. Good day. This is Cherry from BT. Am I speaking with Mrs. Carter?
What do you want? Get off my phone line right now.
I understand that you're upset and I'm really sorry this call cause of your frustration. It's completely understandable that you don't want to be disturbed. Your time and privacy are important. I hear how angry this situation has made you and I want to make sure it doesn't happen again. I'm truly I'm truly sorry, ma'am, to this interaction. I felt invasive. That's not our intention at all. Thank you for sharing how you feel, and I can see this has been very upsetting for you.
You better mean that. And I don't want another damn call.
Just to clarify, ma'am, would you like us to remove your number from all future marketing or service calls?
Yes, do it now. Where are you waiting?
I've now made a note of your request and I will ensure that your number is removed from our call list immediately. And again, I apologize for the inconvenience.
Don't ever call again. You hear me?
Understood, ma'am. Thank you for your time and take care.
Thank you for calling. This is John. How can I help you today?
Transferring this to Bank America. I don't want to stop anyone from the Philippines.
I am really sorry you're feeling this way, ma'am. I'm here to listen and help as much as I can. I understand this situation is very upsetting for you, and I want you to know that you're being heard. I'm truly sorry that you're going through this. Your feelings are valid. I know this must be overwhelming, and I appreciate you sharing how you feel. Please know that I'm not here to upset you. I want to assist you in any way I can, calmly and respectfully.
I just want to get someone from Citibank America.
Also, just to clarify, are you currently trying to reach Citibank America's customer service?
Yes, transfer me now.
I am truly sorry, ma'am, but we're unable to transfer external calls. However, I can provide the correct contact information or help you directly if you'd prefer.
Whatever. I don't want to talk to anyone anymore.
Understood, ma'am. Thank you for your time and please take care of yourself.
Thank you for calling. This is Lizelle, the General Manager. How can I assist you today?
We signed up for 1 month only, but you charge us for 3 months. We didn't receive any email about this cancellation.
I completely understand your concern regarding the unexpected charges and I apologize for any confusion. So, I can see how frustrating this situation must be, especially if you were expecting only 1 month charge. So, thank you for bringing this to our attention and I truly appreciate your patience while we sort this out. Mm-hmm. I understand how billing issues like this can be upsetting, so let's take a closer look on how to resolve this. Okay, I hear you and I'm committed to making sure your concern is properly addressed.
We have the registration form right here. It clearly says 1 month only.
Based on the form, the per monthly subscription refers to a recurring charge every month unless cancelled. So I understand how this might have been unclear.
Still, we were not informed. This is not fair.
So as a resolution, so we're happy to process a 1 month refund as a courtesy. So I also forward this concern to our team for review to avoid further confusion.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Thank you again for your time and understanding. So have a great day ahead.